Did you know well-crafted product descriptions can significantly improve your conversion rate and also increase your sales? However, writing enticing listing descriptions does take a bit of practice, but when you use the formula I'll be sharing in today's video, it's going to make the process so much easier, and the best part, it will help you boost your sales. So if you are currently struggling to write a product description that explains what your product is, why it's worth buying, you need to watch this video until the end. Hi, and welcome back. If you're new to the channel, my name is Nancy, and I help Etsy sellers turn their passions into profits. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for weekly videos. So let's go ahead and get started. The product description should contain all of the information a customer needs to know before they purchase. It's important that you supply your customers with as much valuable content, such as benefits, in an engaging way so readers will want to buy from you. So tip number 1 is know who your target audience is. Now, this is a crucial step in marketing. You need to know who will be interested in your products. So start thinking about their needs. Why do they want from the product or service that you're offering? What kind of person does this speak most directly to? So give them like an age group. Why would they buy from you, right? Once you have determined your audience personality type, writing an enticing listing description that sells becomes much easier because there should only exist one specific tone throughout your Etsy descriptions and all of your business adverts. Tip number 2 is focus on selling the benefits of the product. So the benefits of the product should always come first. You must highlight what your customers will experience if they choose to buy and use this particular service or product so that people can see why it's worth buying. It would be best if you show how your product solves a problem and stop selling the product itself. Focus on selling the benefits. Customers don't care about your product or service features. Instead, they want to know what you sell would benefit them. So when you focus on the benefits, you could turn a prospective customer into a buying customer. Now, if you're looking to accelerate the growth of your Etsy business a lot quicker with my help, make sure to grab my Etsy Mastery course, in which you will learn the exact steps needed to be taken to start, manage, and scale your Etsy shop to a full-time income. I will leave the link below for more details. Tip number 3, use power words that sell. So power words are persuasive words used to trigger a psychological or emotional response. So don't use vague language, but be creative in your storytelling. That is the only way you will capture their attention and make them want to read on. So examples of power words are best-selling, final, proven, reliable, irresistible, made for you. Strategic use of these power words in your actual description and anywhere else that you promote your Etsy business can lead to more cash in your pocket. Tip number 4, make it easy to scan. Now, your product description should be easy to read. Having 2 sentences about the benefits of your product with several bullet points allow customers to receive this information quickly so they can make an informed decision and purchase immediately if they desire. Now, avoid writing long paragraphs because many people will not read them. So keep sentences short and to the point so that it's easier for readers to digest everything that you're saying in one sitting. Tip number 5 is optimize for search engines. So to help you rank higher on search engines, I recommend optimizing your product description. So add your tags organically and naturally within the context of your description. This will help you amplify your reach by driving more traffic from Google and other large search engines. Tip number 6, Use natural language and tone. So to make your message more interesting, your product description needs to have an engaging, personal feel through voice input that sounds like it's coming from someone you know, in this case, you. Now, this will help customers stay longer on the listing because they're being spoken to by their peers instead of like using a generic corporate text writing patterns that are used by most sellers. Tip number 7, promote similar products. So take advantage of each listing by promoting similar products, or if you happen to offer a collection. Now, this is the perfect opportunity for you and your buyers, so you could upsell them into buying more than one product with just some creativity in how we word our descriptions. So the content could read something like this. I have something else that will make your day brighter, which might entice people who are shopping around at this time but not ready yet, while also giving potential customers an idea of where they stand within your store's offering. Tip number 8 is customer service. So at the end of your description, make sure to add some sort of customer service. For example, you could say something like, "Thank you so much for stopping by our store. We would love to help in any way that we can. If there's anything at all, please don't hesitate and feel free to contact us with any questions or concerns about this product today. We are always here ready to listen." And then sign either with your Etsy shop name or your personal name. I like using my name to give it more of a personal touch, but it's really up to you. So there you have it. 8 tips for writing product descriptions that sell. So let me know in the comment which one was your favorite tip, and thank you for watching.